Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present our simple research proposal focusing on educational technology. Our proposal title is Utilizing Podcast as Authentic Material to Enhance Listening Comprehension and Speaking Fluencies. This research is relevant because technology, known as educational technology, educate technology, has made prominent contribution to educate in this information era. Okay. Uh, First, let me introduce myself. My name is Zulfan Zainuri Abdullah. I'm from English Education Study Program A1 2024, sorry, 2024 from IKIP Siliwangi. So here we have a research problem. In the context of English as a foreign language, learning students face significant difficulties in mastering listening comprehension. These difficulties arise from several factors, including the speaker's rate of speech, insufficient vocabulary master, and different accent. In EFL student like Indonesia, students generally have very few opportunities to use English outside the classroom. Consequently, instruction often focus more on reading and writing, neglecting conversational and listening skill. We believe that innovative technology such as a podcast is necessary to change traditional method, as this medium can help students overcome difficulties and gain exposure to authentic materials. Next, we have a research purpose and research question. First, research purpose. In the main purpose of our research is to investigate whether there is a significant difference in listening and speaking achievement between the group of students taught using a podcast uh, and the group. We also aim to review student attitude, perceptions, and feedback regarding podcast as a tool to enhance learning motivation and to investigate the positive impact of podcasts in providing authentic and diverse material. Research question. Based on this objective, our main research question are: does the use of podcast result as significant different in EFL student listening and speaking achievement? And what are the perception and attitudes of EFL student toward using podcast and improving their listening comprehension and motivation? Next, we have methodology, research design. In in it- in this slide, this research will employ a quasi-experimental method with a pre-test and post-test non-equivalent group design. We are integrating a mixed method approach, quantitative and qualitative, to obtain a holistic perspective. In here, we have population, sampling method, and sample. Our target population is EFL student. Uh, in high school student or college student with low English proficiency. The sample will be divided into two groups. First, the experimental group and the control group. Uh, in a total, as 60 student with experimental group have 13 student and control group have 30 student. Will be divided 50-50. Hmm. Data collection instrument include test, pre-test, and post-test to measure listening and speaking skills, and questionnaires or interview to assess feedback, attitude, motivation, and perception. So next, we have data analysis method. In here, we have quantitative data from the test will be analyzed using the pay rate, sample t-test, and independent sample t-test to compare main result between groups. Qualitative data from the questionnaires will be analyzed using a simple descriptive percentage analyzed, while interview data will undergo a coding process for thematic categorization. Although this is a proposal, previous research indicates that use a podcast significantly improve a student listening speaking achievement. This is supported by finding that podcasts are interesting, increase motivation, and are effective tools. Uh, Next, uh, uh, this is a reference from our research. We have five references, different five different references. Okay, that's all. That conclude the presentation of our simple research proposal title Utilizing Podcast as Authentic Materials to Enhance Listening Comprehension and Speaking Fluency. We have discussed how the integration of innovative media like a podcast is necessary to address the listening difficulties faced by EFL students and to provide exposure to authentic materials. Employing a quasi-experimental methodology, this research aimed to investigate significant difference in listening and speaking achievement. So, this is the end of the presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.